Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to check if two given strings are isomorphic to each other. The two strings, string 1 and string 2, are called isomorphic if there is a one-to-one mapping possible for every character of string 1 to every character of string 2, and all the occurrences of every character in string 1 map to the same character in string 2. For input, string 1 equal to AAB, string 2 equal to XXY, output is true as A is mapped to X and B is mapped to Y. For input, string 1 equal to AAB, string 2 equal to XYZ, output is false as one occurrence of A in string 1 has X in string 2 and other occurrence of A has Y. A simple solution is to consider every character of string 1 and check if all the occurrences of it map to the same character in string 2. The time complexity of this solution is order n square. An efficient solution can solve this problem in order n time. The idea is to create an array to store mappings of processed characters. First, if lengths of string 1 and string 2 are not same, return false. Second, do following for every character in string 1 and string 2. If the character is seen the first time in string 1, then current of string 2 must have not appeared before. Check if the current character of string 2 is seen. Return false. Mark the current character of string 2 as visited. Then store the mapping of current characters. Else, check if the previous occurrence of string 1 I is mapped to the same character. Now let's have a look at the implementation. Let n be the length of the first string and n be the length of the second string. Length of both the strings must be same for one-to-one correspondence, so if n is not equal to n, return false. Create a boolean array marked to mark the visited characters in string 2. Then create an integer array map to store the mapping of every character from string 1 to that of string 2. Initialize all the entries of map as -1. Now we will process all the characters one by one. Now check if current character of string 1 is seen the first time in it, that is if map of string 1 I is equal to -1, then check if the current character of string 2 is already seen. Then the one-to-one mapping is not possible. That is, if marked string 2 of I is true, we return false. Else mark the current character of string 2 as visited, that is marked of string 2 I equal to true, and store the mapping of current characters by map string 1 I equal to string 2. Now if this is not the first appearance of the current character in string 1, then check if the previous appearance mapped to the same character of string 2. That is, if map of string 1 I is not equal to string 2 I, we return false. Finally, we exit from the loop and return true. The time complexity of this solution is order n as there is a single loop in it. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.